Hi, I'm Bob Levine, President of Zistos Corporation, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the pole and cable options we have for our systems and how they can be used to enhance the capability of these systems. I'm going to start off with our smallest pole here. This is our baton. This is a very good general purpose pole. And of course, because of our modular system, any of our different cameras, and here's one here, one of our zoom cameras, can plug into the end of it. We can take a standard LED illuminated camera, plug it into the end of it, or even a thermal camera. And all of our poles can be configured that way. Everything is interchangeable. This small baton has features a gooseneck, which is flexible, allowing you to manually change the position or the orientation of the camera on the end. And this is a good tool for looking into or behind equipment, overhead into shelving or racks. Lots of different applications for it. Of course, the pole and the camera assembly will plug into our array of different display units. This is one of them. This is our standard walkabout system. And all of these poles will just plug in here. This system is typically worn on your chest, or you can wear it on a belt loop or a vest. And this allows you to see the image from the camera and the pole assembly. This type of gooseneck pole is available in different lengths. As I mentioned, this is our smallest one at 2 feet. I have one over here that is a 14-foot pole. It's basically the same thing, it's just longer. But it also has this flexible gooseneck, and this is used to look into places that are higher up, or lower down. It has these collars which allow the pole to be extended, so you can lengthen it. It collapses back, so you can store it into the case. It's just a good generic pole camera system that allows you to look, again, into places where it might be dangerous to go. They're typically made of this fiberglass material. It has good insulating characteristics. It's rugged, robust, it's immersible in water. It's a good tool. We also have other types of poles, such as this one over here. This is a 9-footer, and this is what we refer to as a articulating pole. We can take the end here, put a camera on, just like the others, same type of connector, but it will remotely articulate 180 degrees when you rotate the cylinder on the base of the pole. It is available from I think 6 feet to 20 feet. It has a aluminum extension with a fiberglass base. Also has collars that will allow you to collapse it down for storage or change its size for different applications. It's one of those designs that allow the operator to put the camera into position, and then without having to manually change the position of the camera head, using the articulation control, allow them to pan an area or change the angle to see what they need to see. This is a carbon fiber pole. It has some very good properties. It's very stiff and it's very rigid, and it's also very light. So you can extend it a long way from the operator, and it's not going to get that droop or bow, which makes a lot of other pole cameras that go along very difficult to manipulate. The carbon fiber poles start out at 20 feet and they go as far as 40 feet. It's a great tool because now you can look up on the roof of a 4-story building from the ground. You can look 4 stories down for that matter. It is immersible also. You can put it into water, very light. One person can easily extend the pole using these lever lock collars. Instead of turning them, you just shut them down and clamp them down, and the pole is in position. It will also take any of our cameras also, so you can use it with any of the standard Zistos camera technology that you might already have in your cache of tools. In addition to the poles, we also offer these cable reels. This is an interesting one. This is our RR160. It will also take any camera, just like our poles, same connector, plugs into the display the same way as our poles, except that it's a reel of cable, so you can lower a camera or extend the cable out. And what's unique about this design is that it has these rotating contacts in there. So as you're peeling off cable and it's hooked into a display, you're getting a continuous video image. It's a rotating contact, which allows the video signal to be transferred to the display without any kind of tangling of the cables or problems as you're unfurling it. Anyway, these are some of the pole and cable options that we have that make up the modular Zistos system. And whether you're involved in law enforcement, security operations, or industrial inspection, or urban search and rescue, we have different tools here that allow you to optimize the performance of this system in doing your job. So please take a look at our website to find out some more information about these products. And of course, give us a call if you have any questions, would like a quote on any of these items, or would like a product demonstration. Thank you very much for your time.